Many people assume every expensive fishing boat is built to last. The truth is, price alone tells you surprisingly little about how well a boat will hold up after years of pounding through rough water. Some boats have earned legendary reputations because owners repeatedly prove their durability over decades of use, while others fall apart despite carrying premium price tags. Today's countdown reveals 7 fishing boats that have become famous for surviving demanding conditions while retaining their value and owner loyalty. The number 1 boat has developed such a reputation for toughness that many owners refuse to sell them even after decades of ownership. Let's get into it. Number 7. Sea Hunt built its reputation the hard way by consistently outperforming its price point rather than relying on flashy marketing to sell boats. The company's engineering philosophy centers on giving everyday anglers genuine durability without charging a premium for a well-known name. Their hulls use a deep V design that handles chop confidently, and the fiberglass construction has steadily improved over the years to the point where these boats now hold up remarkably well compared to far more expensive competitors. Structural integrity has become a real strength here, with stringers and transoms built to standards that used to be reserved for boats twice the price. Ride quality is smooth and confident for the segment, and fishing performance holds up across most of the conditions recreational anglers actually encounter. Long-term maintenance expectations remain reasonable, and it's increasingly common to see these boats aging gracefully into their second and third decades of service. Owner satisfaction tends to run high, particularly among buyers who feel like they got real engineering rather than just a logo. A marine surveyor once put it simply, "A heavy hull isn't automatically a stronger hull," and this brand proves that point by delivering genuine structural durability without unnecessary weight. The honest weakness here is that resale sometimes takes a little longer than more recognized names, simply because fewer buyers actively search for the brand by name. When shopping used, ask about winterization history, if the boat spent time in colder climates, and always have a compression test done before finalizing anything. This boat suits buyers who want proven toughness without paying extra for brand recognition, especially first-time buyers and anyone stepping up from a smaller boat. The next boat may not be the fastest offshore fishing boat on the market, but countless owners will tell you they'd trust it hundreds of miles offshore before many boats that cost significantly more. Number 6. Parker has spent decades proving that consistency beats reinvention, and that philosophy shows up directly in how well these boats survive years of hard use. Rather than redesigning their lineup every few years chasing trends, this manufacturer has stayed remarkably consistent, refining instead of reinventing. Hull construction typically uses solid fiberglass layups below the waterline, adding weight but dramatically reducing the coring issues that quietly weaken less rigorously built boats over time. Stringer systems are built with the same philosophy, prioritizing long-term strength over anything flashy. Ride quality is firm but predictable, which matters enormously to anglers who fish rough water day after day and want a boat that behaves the same way every single time. Reliability reputation is where this brand truly separates itself, and it's common to hear about boats still running on their original engines after 15 or 20 years of regular use. Long-term durability is a defining trait, and these boats routinely outlast their original owners' expectations. Documented service history often matters more than engine hours, and that's especially true here, since a well-cared-for older hull from this builder can outperform a neglected newer boat in almost every meaningful way. The honest trade-off is that ride comfort leans firm rather than plush, something buyers used to softer riding boats need time to adjust to. Imagine launching before sunrise with rough weather forecast later in the day. As the afternoon winds build and the waves grow steeper, confidence in your hull suddenly matters far more than horsepower or comfortable seating. That's exactly where boats like this earn their reputation. When purchasing one used, focus less on cosmetic wear and more on compression testing the engine and checking the transom for softness. This boat is ideal for serious inshore and nearshore anglers who want a rig built to take a beating without constant babying. Number 5. Hewes has quietly built one of the most respected reputations in the flats and shallow water fishing world, largely because the brand refuses to compromise structural integrity for the sake of a lighter, faster boat. This manufacturer's engineering philosophy centers on building boats capable of running skinny water without sacrificing the strength needed to handle occasional rough conditions when anglers venture beyond the flats. Hull construction uses composite materials and careful fiberglass layup techniques designed to keep weight low while maintaining rigidity, a difficult balance that fewer builders manage successfully. Structural integrity holds up impressively well over time, and stringer systems are engineered specifically to resist the kind of flex that leads to stress cracks in lesser-built shallow water boats. Ride quality is a genuine strength, offering a surprisingly capable performance in chop despite the boat's shallow draft design. Reliability reputation is strong among the flats fishing community, and owner satisfaction runs high among anglers who value precision handling as much as durability. Long-term maintenance expectations are reasonable, though replacement parts for older models can occasionally take longer to source compared to more mainstream offshore brands. Resale value holds up well within the specific niche this boat serves, even if broader market recognition isn't quite as strong as some of the larger offshore names on this list. A respected brand doesn't eliminate the need for a careful inspection, and that applies here too. When shopping used, have a surveyor check the transom and any areas where poling platforms or trolling motors have been mounted, since these mounting points are common places for water intrusion to begin quietly over the years. This boat is best suited for anglers who spend serious time in shallow, skinny water environments and want a boat built specifically for that demanding niche rather than a generalist compromise. If you're enjoying this guide so far, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Harbor Hook Boats, and turn on notifications so you never miss future fishing boat reviews and buying guides that can help you make smarter decisions. Number 4. Everglades has built its reputation around a genuinely different construction philosophy, one that prioritizes eliminating the coring materials that cause so many long-term durability problems in other boats. Rather than using wood or foam coring in critical structural areas, this manufacturer developed a solid fiberglass hull system designed specifically to avoid the water intrusion and rot issues that plague cored construction over time. That engineering decision shows up directly in long-term durability, since there's simply less opportunity for the slow, hidden deterioration that catches so many used buyers off guard on other brands. Structural integrity is a defining strength here, and stringer systems are built into the solid fiberglass structure itself rather than added as a separate component prone to future flex or separation. Ride quality is often praised as exceptionally smooth and confident, a direct benefit of the added rigidity that comes from this construction approach. Reliability reputation continues to grow as more of these boats age into their second decade, with very few structural surprises reported by long-term owners. Owner satisfaction runs high, particularly among buyers who specifically researched hull construction before purchasing, rather than choosing based on layout or styling alone. Maintenance accessibility is generally good, and fishing performance holds up well across a wide range of offshore and nearshore conditions. Marine surveyors often discover structural issues long before cosmetic flaws become visible, and that's exactly why this brand's construction philosophy matters so much to long-term value. The honest weakness is that this construction approach adds cost, which means used prices tend to stay higher than some competitors, even on older models. When shopping used, the inspection priorities shift slightly compared to cored boats, focusing more on gel coat condition, hardware integrity, and engine maintenance records, rather than searching for soft spots that this construction method is specifically designed to avoid. This boat is ideal for buyers who prioritize structural peace of mind above nearly everything else and are willing to pay a bit more upfront for that assurance. Our number 2 pick has become so respected among commercial captains that many believe it represents one of the toughest hulls ever produced. Number 3. Regulator has earned a reputation among serious offshore anglers as one of the most structurally overbuilt boats in its class, a reputation built directly on decades of running in genuinely demanding offshore conditions. This manufacturer's engineering philosophy leans heavily toward overbuilding critical structural components rather than optimizing purely for speed or fuel efficiency. Hull construction uses a deep, sharp dead rise, paired with exceptionally rigid stringer and bulkhead systems designed to handle sustained pounding at speed without developing the fatigue cracks that shorten the life of less robust designs. Fiberglass layup quality is consistently praised by surveyors, and vacuum-infused construction methods on newer models create a stronger, more consistent structure than older hand-laid techniques. Ride quality in rough offshore water is frequently described as exceptional, with the boat maintaining control and comfort in conditions that would feel genuinely punishing in a less capable hull. Reliability reputation is excellent, and long-term durability holds up impressively, even on boats that have spent years running significant distances offshore in serious conditions. Owner satisfaction is notably high among offshore anglers who prioritize structural confidence above almost everything else, and resale value stays strong because demand among that specific buyer pool remains consistently high. The honest trade-off is that maintenance and fuel costs run higher than average, since these boats are typically paired with larger, more powerful engines suited to their offshore mission. Imagine running 60 miles offshore with the wind picking up faster than forecast. In that scenario, a boat with a genuinely overbuilt structure isn't a luxury. It's the difference between an uncomfortable ride home and a genuinely dangerous situation. That's precisely the reputation this brand has earned among captains who run offshore for a living, not just for recreation. When shopping used, pay close attention to hours on the engines relative to the boat's age, since a boat run hard offshore for a decade shows very different wear patterns than one used occasionally for calmer trips. This boat is best suited for serious offshore anglers who value structural overbuilding and rough water capability as much as raw speed. Number 2. Grady White has spent decades proving that comfort and structural toughness aren't mutually exclusive, and that combination has made it one of the most trusted names among anglers who want a boat built to last for generations. This builder has been refining its construction methods since the mid-1950s, one of the longer-running track records in the entire industry. That decades-long history of refinement shows up directly in structural consistency across model years, with a solid fiberglass hull built to handle serious offshore conditions, while still offering a deck and interior finish that feels noticeably more upscale than many purely functional offshore competitors. Structural integrity holds up remarkably well over time, and it's common to hear from owners who've run the same boat hard offshore for 15 or 20 years without any significant structural concerns. Ride quality strikes a rare balance, comfortable enough for family outings while still handling genuinely rough water with confidence when conditions turn serious. Reliability reputation is outstanding, and long-term maintenance expectations remain reasonable given the caliber of construction involved throughout the boat. Owner satisfaction runs exceptionally high, and resale value consistently ranks among the best in the industry, a direct reflection of just how much buyers trust this brand's structural reputation even decades after a specific boat left the factory. Documented maintenance history matters here just as much as it does with any other brand, and longtime owners know that a clean logbook often tells you more about a boat's true condition than a fresh coat of wax ever could. When shopping used, have a surveyor check the transom and stringers carefully, since even the toughest boats used heavily offshore for many years benefit from a thorough structural inspection before purchase. This boat is ideal for buyers who want serious offshore durability without sacrificing comfort, including anglers who also use the boat for family trips rather than exclusively hardcore fishing missions. Number 1. Boston Whaler sits at the very top of this list, and few boats in recreational marine history have earned a reputation for toughness this legendary or this thoroughly proven. The brand's history goes back to the early 1960s, when the company demonstrated its unsinkable foam-filled hull construction in one of the most memorable engineering demonstrations in boating history, literally cutting a boat in half and running both pieces separately to prove they would still float and perform. That demonstration wasn't a marketing stunt that faded with time. It became the foundation of an engineering philosophy that's remained central to the brand for over 60 years, and it's the single biggest reason these boats have developed such an intensely loyal following. Hull construction sandwiches a foam core between layers of fiberglass, creating a structure that resists the flexing responsible for stress cracks in less rigid designs. Structural integrity is frequently cited by surveyors as best in class, and it's genuinely common to find these boats still in active service after 30, even 40 years, sometimes still owned by the same family that purchased them new. Ride quality feels exceptionally solid and quiet underway, a direct result of that unique construction approach. Long-term reliability is where this brand truly separates itself from nearly everything else on the market. It's common to hear about original engines lasting far longer than expected, and even when engines are eventually replaced, it's usually because an owner wanted more power, rather than because anything failed. Fishing capability remains strong and versatile across a wide range of conditions, from calm inshore water to genuinely demanding offshore trips, which explains why the brand appeals to such a broad range of anglers. Owner satisfaction is remarkably high and remarkably consistent across generations of buyers, a rare trait in an industry where trends and expectations shift constantly. Real-world reputation among experienced captains borders on legendary, and it's not unusual to hear working captains say they'd trust this hull in serious conditions before boats that cost significantly more. Resale value remains exceptionally strong even on boats decades old, and demand rarely softens regardless of broader market conditions, since buyers actively seek this brand out specifically because they know exactly what they're getting. Maintenance expectations run slightly higher than some other brands on this list, partly because parts and service often carry a premium tied to the brand name. Dealer support and parts availability are considered among the best in the industry, which matters enormously for long-term ownership costs, since sourcing components for an aging boat can otherwise become a frustrating and expensive process. Buyers willingly pay that maintenance premium for good reason. The peace of mind that comes from owning one of the most thoroughly tested hull designs in recreational boating history is difficult to put a price on. This is precisely why so many owners refuse to sell their boats even after decades of ownership. The trust built through generations of real-world proof simply isn't something buyers want to give up once they've experienced it firsthand. Before buying one used, ask whether the hull has ever been checked for water intrusion. Foam-filled hulls resist catastrophic failure in a way many others simply can't, but they can still absorb water through a puncture or a poorly sealed through hull fitting. And a qualified surveyor can usually detect this with sound testing or a moisture meter in a matter of minutes. This boat is the right choice for buyers who prioritize structural peace of mind and long-term durability above almost everything else, including families who want a boat they can keep for generations and serious anglers who want complete confidence in their platform regardless of conditions. That's exactly why this boat earns the top position on this list. Its reputation wasn't built through marketing claims or clever advertising. It was built through more than 60 years of real owners putting real hours on real water, decade after decade, without the boat ever giving them a reason to look elsewhere. So what's the biggest lesson from all 7 of these boats? True durability isn't determined by price or marketing. It's earned through decades of reliable service, excellent engineering, genuine quality construction, and the trust that owners place in a design only after it's proven itself over and over again in real conditions. Even the strongest, most overbuilt boat on this list still requires regular care, thorough inspections, and responsible ownership to reach its full potential lifespan. A tank of a hull can still fail an owner who neglects basic maintenance, and a lesser-known boat with a complete service history can outlast a legendary name that was never properly cared for. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Harbor Hook Boats, and turn on notifications so you never miss future fishing boat reviews and buying guides. Which fishing boat do you think deserves a place on this list? Let us know your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Harbor Hook Boats adventure.